Over the past 3 decades, one thing that's become evident is the sheer heights one must rise to simply stand out, to be different. Throughout history, each and every leader who has accomplished the remarkable has been faced with this question: to give in or to find the strength to carry on?
From joining the Army Reserves when I was 16 to pivoting manufacturing to medical supplies during the pandemic, our mindset has been and always will be perseverance and sacrifice for those around us.
And it's this lion-heartedness that guides everything we do,
Keeping us on both feet, climbing this never-ending mountain. Our approach to business is not cut and paste, but rather a one-stop shop that handles all custom-stitched textiles. From high-altitude parachutes to medical gowns.
We can make it all. And although we're Canadian, our team is made up from people from all over the world.
We believe being cut from a different cloth means understanding before doing, and never assuming, because each person we meet provides a new perspective to aid in our mission, be it one of our major suppliers or new team members.
But above all, being cut from a different cloth means helping those around you find the strength and courage to carry on.
Because like the leaders that came before us, remarkable feats are only attainable when we all work as one.